Welcome back to our Facebook page, guys. In today's video you are going to learn very interesting handmade drawings. So let's get started. Draw feathers of your first drawing, then make face and beak of a sparrow, make a round tummy, and at last draw her foot. Draw V-shaped structure first, then make round fruits emerging from it, make a leaf starting from edges, and then draw veins and color it. For drawing slice, make this and add seeds on it. Now draw a mouse eating it by drawing mouse body, and yes, you are advised to keep your eatables secure from these mouses. Draw two circles, then draw wings in this manner. Add eyes, antennas on the face, and draw lines in the tummy region. Color this fly. For next drawing, draw this with black marker. Now draw a leaf on the top of the mango and color it yellow. Your virtual mango is ready. Start drawing eyes and then follow these steps for making ant. These steps are really very easy. Now draw legs of your ant and color it as per your choice. Draw a round face, make ears and eyes. Now make bottom part with arms and legs. Start coloring it with brown color and add yellow color near the tummy region. He looks cute, isn't it? Copy these steps for making face and bottom part of the animal. After you are done with making the bottom part, don't forget to add dots on its back. Draw the Y first on a white sheet, then start making chilies by drawing and joining these lines as shown in the video. Draw a circle, make a face of your next drawing. Now make bottom part like this, color it with yellow and black. Write 6 plus 2 on a white sheet, then starting from 6, start making face of the bunny with ears. Now draws the paws and tail of bunny. Make these lines on a white sheet first. Copy the exact steps of making lines. After that, add this pattern on each line. Are you excited for what is being made? Well, I'm excited too. So let's see. Now, draw leaves like this, and wow, a very beautiful pattern of tree is observed. Thanks for watching this video.